Hello, I am Abhishek and welcome to my channel. Today it is my second lecture on democracy. In the first lecture I already told you about the basic features of the democracy and what is democracy, all the definitions and features of a democracy. So kindly go through that videos first. Now today what I will tell you that this democracy or a democratic country, the country who are following democracy is good or bad. So there are some arguments which are in favor, there are some arguments which are against. I will put some of few arguments here and my request is that आप लोगों के जो अपने arguments हैं, आप लोगों के जो अपने व्यू हैं, प्लीज़ मेरे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखें so that we will come to a conclusion that this is good or bad. So kindly आप खुद को इन्वॉल्व करें, इसके बारे में थिंक करें और प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में अपने व्यू ज़रूर रखें. So I will put 3 or 4 arguments first and it's your duty to write your arguments in favor or against. So the first thing is that which comes in my mind that in democracy government will be more accountable. The reason is that in democracy those representatives will come after winning an election. It means that those will be the representatives of the people in their areas. So it means that they have to reply to them, whatever policies they will make they have to reply to them because वो अलग अलग अपने अपने एरिया से चुन के आए हैं. सो जो भी डिसीजंस वो लेंगे उसके लिए उनको वहाँ के लोगों के लिए वो अकाउंटेबल हैं. सेकेंडली we have opposition in our democracy, we have freedom of press in our democracy. So it means that if government are taking any decisions, if it's not good for the people of India, they will oppose it. It means that accountability will be more for the government in democracy according to me. My second argument is that in a democracy, as all the decisions will be taken collectively by all the representatives of the people, so it will be a delay process, it is a lengthy process, but according to me quality decisions will come. The reason is that all those representatives of the people will be from the different areas. They know the sentiment of the people in their respective areas. So whatever decisions, if any policy decisions they have to take, then according to me quality decisions will only come because it will be the sentiment of all the peoples. They will keep in mind that what people want in their respective areas. So according to me those quality decisions will be taken from a government. So it is my second argument which in favor of democracy. The third thing is that in a democracy there will be views of all the people. Some policy can make some group of people very happier, they will be very happy with the policy makings. At the same time other people will be sad for that policy, but again new policy will come, those people who were very sad for one policy they will be happier for that policy, and those people who were very sad they will be happier for another policy. It means that everybody will have a fair chance. Sometimes some policy will make some people happier, sometimes some policy will make some people very sad. So I think that everybody will have a fair chance. This is an argument which in favor of my democracy. The fourth thing is that it enhances dignity of a citizen. Why? Because we have a fundamental rights given to us by the Constitution of India. It means that any decisions which governments will take, I have told you the basic features of Constitution, then they have to keep in mind what are the fundamental rights to a citizen. It means that it will protect our dignity, it will save our dignity. It means that democracy has a good thing that it has to keep in mind the fundamental rights of the people. It will protect the dignity of a citizen. So this is argument in favor of a democracy. And according to me one more thing is that if a policy made by the government is not correct, but it allows them to change their policy. How? Suppose any policy has been made by the government, अगर कोई policy government ने बनाया है but it's not favoring the people, opposition will oppose it. Suppose one bill was passed by the BJP government, that is CAA, Citizenship Amendment Bill. So you have seen that पूरे देश के अंदर उसके अगेंस्ट में कितने सारी बातें हुई है, सभी अपोजिशन अपोज कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारे सिटीजन्स अपोज कर रहे हैं. It means that if some policies which government has made and if it is not favoring, if it is not good, people will oppose it. There will be a discussion, is it is good or it is bad. Judiciary is there, but we have a chance and government have a chance to change it. So these all are the arguments which are in favor and against of a democracy. I have put my views, but it's homework to you that you have to think about it. You have to put your views in my comment sections so that we will come to a conclusion that being democratic is good thing for a country or not good thing for a country. That's for all. Thank you.